when we started this, there was very poor reception because it was 5 months. They were scared of their commitment. How can they commit, for 5 months in training? Because usually training is 1 day or 2 days. But this is 5-month training because our objective is to change behavior. Because if you do 1 day training or 2 days training, you can't really change behavior. So that was our philosophy, because we wanted to change behavior of our participants. So those who went through our program was able to really change behavior towards funding, towards finance. And that's our objective. And we have done it with about 1,800 older middle-aged women from Felda, from people in DBKL flats, and also people in Johor, Pasir Gudang. So, and they enjoy the training that we give, because and because of that, we wanted more people to take up this, and also the men is asking us to do this kind of program for them also, because when we started out, we did it only for the women, because ours is based on our research data saying that women do not have much money for old age, because women always have money they save money, but they save money for the family, not for themselves. So in this aspect, we tell them you should also save for yourself, for your own need. Family needs, yes, family needs, but for yourself, you must also save. So that's how we did it, and we also have some business element in the training, because those people who has, like, they can cook and they can sew and things like that, we teach them bookkeeping and things, so that they can record what's going in, flow out, because sometimes they do it every day but they never record, so how much money they make and things like that. So that's part of teaching them how to manage their own business, small business like that. So, and they enjoyed the class actually, and they felt that their comments were very good. And they felt that more people should join this kinds of programs. So see, the happy is many of us at home will have coins running thrown around in the house. So we just tell them, just put a bottle and just put whatever loose change you have, and then they use the loose change to go to Pasar Malam and all that. So they don't need to have other money. So that's simple things like that, that really changes their behavior. And it's good because it also teach the children. They also, because we have the trainer book, we also have the participant workbook. So they have to record every time. So that's how we create the change in behavior for them. So that's the thing that we have done. And so far, God willing, we are doing quite well. But there's a lot of competition now, because before we were the only university that has this program. Now there's so many other universities that are doing this program, and we are working together so that we do not like say conflict with each other. You focus in your area, I focus in my area, so that we together can grow. Because so small resources in Malaysia, so we need to work together so that we, as a field, we can grow together.
And you think that you will collaborate with another universities, right?
Yes, because we, like for our long-term research grants, we collaborating with 4 universities. We work with our first LRGs, we work with UKM, we work with UST Malaya, we work with UITM, and now we're working with Monash. So and the Ministry of Education forces us to work together. See, because that's the philosophy. They want us to help each other in this. So, and then even now grants if we get research grant from Ministry of Education, we must collaborate with other universities. So that is a requirement. So that in that way, it helps us to work together. Because each university has their own strength. So when we work together like this, we build our strength together. That's the philosophy of the Ministry of Education. In terms of grant, they really want us to work with other universities. Because like in the US, it's natural. For us, it's not natural. So you have to have a system to guide us in this. so far we are lucky.
No more slides, but just give me some pictures of activities.
Yeah, maybe we can show pictures of activities. These are the things that we did, and then we have the Southeast Asian media engagement. We have also, and then we have the National Research Agenda, and recently we established the Malaysian Aging Research Network. Yeah. And the Malaysian Aging Research Network is on with the local universities, and we also have the expert forum on aging and development. We also have the ASEAN-wide research network. So we created that platform, and then we have a lot of. This is where when we had this convention on residential aged care services, we encouraged them to develop the association. That's where it came out.
Darren met them.
Darren met them. Yeah. So this is what we did. So because we see things that we can move things, so we help them to do that. So
I think that's it.
And that's
these are policies.
Yeah. These are all the policies. We have because we have an MOU with INIA, the International Institute of Aging in Malta. We have in situ satellite training with INIA. And we have, even when we do program, we collaborate with others. Okay. Okay.
That's it.
I know Japan has a lot more.
But I'm surprised because Japan has a lot of associations, but it is difficult to collaborate with another association. And of course, we have many startups, but it is difficult to launch.
I see.
Yes, so I'll tell you about
yeah, please.
Can you?